Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time.
Hi guys, welcome back to Miniatures Mayhem and More. This is Keena and Noelle. My sidekick is right here. She was over there kitting up or working on her diamond painting. But today we're going to do a quick reveal. And I'm not going to call it an unboxing because I get too frantic about receiving something in the mail to just wait. Plus, I never know where it came from and I have to go research it. So, here we go. This is a beautiful flower that I received. I think I've talked about it before, how much I love the beautiful colors in these flowers. These are 20 by 20s. They're the very smallest ones that you can get. Apparently, I ordered these from a company called Diamond Painting Lovers. And the colors just stood out to me. They were so vibrant. I want to start off with my absolute favorite. Here's a picture of it. Here are the drills. And I'm going to start by telling you what we got. We got one diamond painting tray and tweezers and pen for this entire 4-pack, even though I ordered them separately. Anyway, they give you a sheet and it includes instructions, a photograph. It has the numbers, the symbols, and also the DMC code. It gives you how many packages of each you should have and how many pieces you should have in there. So here that is. Here's the picture again because I love the vibrant colors. And this is double-sided tape and not poured glue. And it actually looks flawless here, guys. No rivers or creases that I can see at this time. Alright, I'm looking at the canvas and I'm looking at the photograph and I'm wondering where all these vibrant colors are going to come in. I just guess I have to look at the beads and see what the DMC codes are. Anyway, the symbols are easy to see right now, but of course I have my light on for shooting videos, so that may be it, because usually I have all kind of apparatuses going so that I can see. But here is symbol clarity. As you can see, it's really good. I think I'm gonna have fun with this. This probably will take me a day in total, like a half a day working on it and then another half a day. Let's check out these drills that they came with. Okay, I'm gonna tell you this. I wish they were like attached together because these are gonna be all over the place. But here are the drills. They all have the DMC codes on the packages. Ooh, I love that color. I'm going to show you these colors that we're supposed to put on there to make this vibrant picture. Look at this blue. Not a big blue fan, but that is pretty. These greens. What's popping red? What's popping red?
Very much red.
And gold. So I think this is going to work out. I think I might start on this today. Maybe video chat while I'm doing it.
Yay, a whipping chat.
Alright, yeah, she's been waiting on that.
Very much been waiting.
So on to the next one. This is another beautiful rose, same company. Let's check out what's going on here. Okay, well this one actually has some rivers, So the glue is kind of raised here. And when I work on this one, I'm going to tell you how to repair that. And I got that courtesy of Rachel Ray. Symbols are clear. And actually, they really did a good job of separating colors. Like, you are not going to mistake a symbol and or a color for something else. That's really kind of clear here. All right. The drill for this package. Not right here. Right here. So the same thing. I'm not going to go in it. This is actually a square. And I'm not really a fan of the square. But I can see from the packet here and the picture here how this one is going to be true to color here. This one I really like because it's all zen. So yeah, it's a dream catcher with a butterfly. Really pretty colors. If these work out, I think I might get them bigger. I thought that these would go really cute in a grouping. I'm going to check out the double-sided tape on here. Okay, some rivers and some valleys, but the symbols are clear. Clarity, clarity, clarity. Okay. And the colors here, as compared to the picture, here's the picture. Here are the colors. I'm not so sure about that guy. I'm looking at the yellows, or lime greenish as they look to me right about now. And the yellows here. I don't know how vibrant that's going to be. This is actually a round. So maybe I'll do this one first. Because then we can tackle the canvas issues. And also see if the color of the drills are kind of matching up with what the photo says we're going to get. My last one here are some pretty pastel roses. Now, I am not a flower girl. Noelle and her mom, they like flowers. Noelle can tell you, when we go shopping, I will say, ew, that has flowers. But I am totally drawn to flowers in diamond paintings, okay?
She doesn't like flowers at the store, but when she sees them in diamond painting, she's like, "Oh, I'm gonna get them."
Okay, so this one fell to the side. So here's the actual picture. And then this one is also a square, for which I am disabled when it comes to doing it. I follow Rachel Ray one day on her videos trying to do the checkerboard. And then I ended up a couple weeks ago buying the square drill ruler. So yeah, we can cover a couple things with me doing one of these little diamond paintings. Anyway, that's all for today. Just wanted to show you what came in the mail. I do have several more, but I'm going to save those for another video because it's late and we need to get to bed. You guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. As always, you guys continue to be blessed, and we'll see you next time.